Welcome back, lovely people. Today I will show you how you can add multiple product link to your TikTok shop video. Now click on the plus sign, choose the video you want to use. Okay, I'll just choose one that I already have here. Click on next and click on next. Then the next thing for you to do is to click on add link. Click on products and then you click on add more products. Click on products marketplace. Do not go ahead to search for the item you want here. No, sometimes when you search you might not see the exact product you want. You might see something else, and I advise that you should already have that product or the list of products added to your showcase. Whatever it is you want to add, make sure they are already in your showcase. Now click on manage, and now you know what you want to add. Let's assume I want to add this first item here. Click on this dot right here. Click on create video now. Click on camera. Okay, and then add. Once you click on add, it's going to show like nothing happened. Don't worry, it has already added. Then go back. Then click on the second item you want. Just the three dots here, not the item itself. The three dots close to the item. Repeat the process. I'm going to add like 3 products here for us to see that this works. Okay, click on add, then repeat that for the third item. Just continue. You want to add 5 and definitely going to work for you. Okay, click on add. Now let's go back to see if this really works. We go back, you click on back again, and you can see the 3 items I added appeared here in the add link, so it definitely works. Okay, just do this and it will definitely work for you. If you use the searching item method, it might not work. I tried that first and I didn't get the exact item I needed. It was showing me something else. If you use this method I've shown you, it will definitely work for you. Let me know in the comment section if this works. I hope this is able to help 1 or 2 persons. Bye. 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 Bye.